gonna go. So we're gonna be. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be making slime with real ingredients. So yeah, let's get into it. Sorry about this. I'm just, getting it set up, and yeah, and we're going to, as you already know, make slime out of real ingredients. So the first ingredient is, let me go get it. Come with please. The first ingredient is, we need a bowl, of course, and then soy milk is the first ingredient. It smells terrible. I hate soy milk. My brother drinks it though. So the first ingredient is soy milk. Now I'm gonna add my glue. I'm sorry, it's not that showing it that much. So yeah, it will show you it in a minute. So yeah. So yeah, that's the bowl, and yeah, I'm sorry that I didn't show that very good, but I'm gonna mix it together and activate it, of course. I need to go get the activator. And I'm back with the activator. I'm gonna activate it and store it together. This one, it was surprising. It was really gross, but it actually turned out to be making slime. So it turned into slime, and then it just kind of fell apart. So yeah, it kind of turned into slime. You could play with it. I did play with it. It was really disgusting, but then it just basically fell apart. So yeah, I don't suggest making slime with soy milk, but yeah. See, it's kind of, fall apart there, but yeah, and you may be wondering, yeah, so that is it, and that's disgusting. You may be wondering, because I'm just now doing this video on the auto record. I already filmed this, and I didn't even talk on it, so I'm auto recording it, and this is after I filmed it, so yeah, you may be wondering. It smells terrible. That's the worst smell. I hate the smell of soy milk. And yeah, it kind of fell apart afterwards, which that wasn't very happy about. But yeah, so when it fell apart, I kind of had to throw it away. So yeah, here's a clip of me playing with it. It's very disgusting. It smells terrible. Yeah, because I poured the soy milk yesterday, and I made slime today, and it smells really bad. So, yeah, and oh my gosh, that smells so bad. Eesh. Yeah, so it smells really bad, and at least, iPhones and, iPads and phones and electronics haven't came up with a smelling device yet. Well, that would kind of be good plus bad, yeah. Here's the slime. It kind of fell apart, as you could probably see. Oh, the next ingredient is hamster food. Yes, this will be disgusting. I'm not looking forward to this ingredient. Well, I already know that. It's very yellowish. Glue, we need glue. Which is basically, ew. Yeah, I don't really like the smell of hamster food. It just smells really bad, especially those really terrible pellets. I hate the pellets. I hope the slime kind of doesn't form. Well, I expected the soy milk slime to just fall apart, but I think it didn't. So, surprisingly, but yeah. Alright, now I just need to just stirring it, and that's good. It smells horrible. Yeah, I'm kind of concerned about the slime. I thought it would turn into slime, but it kind of just got as sticky and gunky. It kind of was slime, but it really kind of wasn't. The same time it was, same time it wasn't. Ew. This is really disgusting. This ball. Ew. Then it just became all chunky and really disgusting, and yeah, I think this would be a fail. The soy milk was, this one would probably be a fail, but the soy milk I don't think was really a fail. The soy milk, yeah, it turned sticky after a little. It turned a little sticky, but when you put more blocks, it turned better. So yeah, this time, now it is, a cloth. Not a real cloth. It's like, you know those things you put in the like laundry hamper to make your clothes smell good? Yeah, that's it. So, yeah. And I'm gonna rate the slimes. So the soy milk it's 1 out of 10. It's like 0 to 10. I'm rating it there. It was probably 3 out of 10 because it was a slime. It had a good consistency. It smelled terrible though. This slime, and then the hamster food slime didn't really turn into slime. It was a 2 out of 10. It was not good. It didn't turn into slime. It kind of was slime. That's why it's only giving it 2. But this slime actually was pretty good slime until I added the thing to it. And then it turned kind of, Oh, sorry about the background noises. That's my cat. He has a really weird meow. You see there. I'm just gonna put it and just play with it because that's a good slime there. But I haven't added the thing yet, so you never know what it'll turn out to be. This one I got the best footage of, I will say, of it. Because when I put it in, it just turned because there was tiny holes, it just turned, the glue came out from the tiny holes and it just turned sticky. Because when I squished it, the glue came out from the tiny holes, and it was just glue. It was really disgusting. So this one was probably, this one was probably a 3 out of 10 because it just, a 2 out of 10 because it turned sticky, but it kind of was a slime, and if it didn't turn sticky, it might have been a good slime. I don't know. Yeah, so next slime is really disgusting. We need our glue first though. And this one, I'm gonna make it my slime first. And yeah. Never tried to make slime with soy milk. Just saying, it's not a good idea. So now I'm just gonna make my slime, and it's actually turning out to be a good slime. And then I'm gonna add bedding to it. Yeah, great. Yeah. So there's not one good slime. Then I'm just gonna add some lotion because that makes slime stretchy, and then I'm gonna add some shaving cream, and then it's gonna turn into a bad slime. This was a really good slime until I added the hamster bedding, then it turned really bad, and shaving cream. This was a really good slime until I added the, ingredient. I was thinking of doing another one of these slime things with mandarin orange juice, but then I decided not to because, yeah. Comment down below if you want me to, though. This Seal is a good slime, and I'm gonna play with it in a minute. So, yeah. So this stretch is really good. It's really nice slime. Really love it. See, it stretches really good. And now I'm gonna add my extra ingredient. Some I really like, but it's not finished yet. I'm gonna add sorry about this. Now bedding, hamster bedding. That looks like hay, but it's not. It's hamster bedding. So that is really disgusting. Sorry about the background noises. That's rude. It absorbed all the slime. It made it just really, I don't know how to describe it. It was really just, and I didn't really like it at all. So yeah, here, I'll show you it, and yeah. So yeah, that's the slime. Thanks for watching, and bye. Bye, thanks for watching.